In this video, we're going to take a look at the overview of how the Kadence builder works within the Gutenberg builder. And then in various videos, we will cover how to update various page contents and content types. So we'll just start with looking at what the backend looks like. So if you want to edit any page, post, or custom post type or anything like that, you just want to navigate over to where it is in the backend. So under pages, you'll find all pages. And then you'll see all the different pages on the website that are under the pages section. So I'm going to open up the home page. So I'm just going to right click and hit open a new tab. And you can also view the page while you're working in it. So you can see the live view of what it looks like while you're making edits. Okay, so when you're in the edit screen, you can see you're on the edit page here. When you're in the edit screen, you can see a few things. So on the right-hand sidebar, you can see the status of the page. If it's published, the data is published on. You can save from here as well. And then down below on the right-hand side, you can see the translations. This is editing in an independent editor, which is why this is selected. If it was this one here, this is the WordPress multi-language automatic translation editor, the ATE. And so all of them should be in the independent state, and clicking on this pencil icon can take you to the French version of the page, and you can edit it there. It'll be the same interface to edit both the English and the French. We're just going to look at the English side. So looking through this page, you can see everything that's on this page. I'm going to show you how to make some edits. So clicking over on the document overview tab, this is how you'll be able to see the different sections and different elements within sections. So for example, if I click into "You have to be a nurse to understand," if I click that, it will open up on this left-hand sidebar where it is, and then you can make your edit in here as you see fit. I'm not going to save that. And then if you want to edit the button, you can open up the button, or if this is closed, let's click that and click here. It'll open it up for you if you click the right targeted element. Sometimes you're not able to click the right element, so maybe you want to click the element above it or below it, and this is where you can make any changes. Okay, and scrolling through, the same thing here. You can edit any links or components. So if this needed to be something else, you would just kind of click into here and put whatever you'd like. Okay. And you can change that, and the button link is over on the right-hand side. You can see that these are using Kadence elements. So although it's in the Gutenberg editor, there are elements from Kadence that are being used. And so they have different styling capabilities. Most of the Kadence elements are far better than the Gutenberg editor and elements. So that's what's been used here. You can see a lot of the typography pieces all use Kadence heading typography components in order to be able to take advantage of the Kadence customizations. All right, and so that is how you would make your changes, and then you would hit save. A good step before making any changes is in the actual page that you're about to edit. Before you click edit, you can click clone, and it will create a draft of the page and a clone of the page in case you do something on this page that you may or may not want to keep, or you want to reverse. That's a quick way to be able to reverse back to that. To access different slides, you can click through here. You can also see that there are different slides here that you can see how you can edit each one of these components. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you start flowing with this, it becomes really easy to use this builder. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.